What's up, you guys? Hey, I'm back with another video, and this time we're gonna be transforming this into something cute. The first thing you want to do is seam rip open the pants leg on both sides, just so you can have more fabric to work with. So yep, and now all I'm gonna do is flip it on its side. Okay, so you just want to flip it on its side and lay it out like this. And I'm actually gonna use the bottom part as the top part of my dress, so I'm actually gonna flip it. Okay, so once you figure out how long you want your dress to be, you're just gonna cut it out, and this is the piece that I'm gonna use to make the dress. Okay, so I'm just taking a dress that fits the way I like, and I'm using that to just trace out the pattern. So you can use whatever you like. I'm using my chalk just to trace out the pattern of the dress. Now I already went and pinned the shape down, and all I'm gonna do is cut where the pins are. So you should really have something like this, and you're just gonna sew where the pins are. I'm just doing a basic straight stitch all the way down on both sides. Now I'm just gonna trim off the extra fabric. This just helps makes it clean and it kind of have that finished look. I also went back in and did a zigzag stitch on both sides too. Okay, now I'm gonna add some darts. I recommend that you just find a YouTube tutorial on this, because like I said, I suck at this. I'm still learning myself, and I don't want to give y'all the wrong information. But I basically tried my dress on and kind of marked where I needed to take it in, and yeah, I made some marks, and I'm basically going to use the top of my mark and the bottom of my mark as to where or how long my darts are going to be. Like I said, I recommend you just find a YouTube video on this. I don't want to give you the wrong information. But yeah, so I did two, and I also added two on the back of my dress, and now you're just going to sew where the darts are. Okay, now I'm just going to do a roll hem at the bottom of my dress, just so it can have a more finished, clean look. And yeah, I did a roll hem all the way around. You just want to pin as you rolled, and you should really have something like this. Okay, now I'm just going to do a straight stitch all the way around just to keep my hem together. Okay, and this is how it looks. Now we're gonna work on the straps. I just cut out two scrap pieces from the extra fabric that I had. You can make them as long as you want them to be, and I just folded them in half and pinned all the way down. So this is how they look, and you're just going to sew where the pins are. I also went back in and did a zigzag stitch over the straight stitch that I did, and I also did a zigzag stitch on the ends just to keep them together. This fabric frays a lot, so you just want to make sure. But yeah, that's how it turned out. Now time to add the straps, and you just want to try this on and mark where you think your straps are gonna go, and you're just gonna pin. And before you officially sew anything down, you want to try them on again. I had to make my straps shorter, but once you sew your straps down, you're basically done. Okay, and this is how it turned out. I've been wanting one of these dresses for a while, so I'm really happy that I was able to make my own. And yeah, for the skirt part, I'm using the top part of my pants, and I'm just gonna lay it on its side because we gotta, tweak some stuff. I'm actually gonna remove the crotch part of the pants just to it could have like a straighter finish, and we're also going to like just pin that down. And I'm also gonna take the back in. You definitely want to try this on so you can know how fitted your skirt has to be. And I'm just gonna sew all the pieces that I've cut together all the way down, and I'm gonna hem the bottom part. This is super easy. Like, it's so simple to make this, and we're just gonna sew that down, and this is how it looks. That's it. Oh my god, I really love how this skirt turned out. I'm glad I decided to use the top part to make this. You guys, it's super simple and easy, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all next time.